Hey guys, welcome back, and as you can see, I am in sunny Florida. I came down here for the weekend, and I brought a camera that I really don't use that much anymore, and I really don't have an excuse other than the fact that I've been shooting Leica Q and the Q2 series as well as the Leica M10, but here we are shooting with the 100V from Fujifilm 100V, and I really enjoy this camera. It has such a powerful feature set, and having a fixed lens system has just always been very conducive to the way I work, but you know, I haven't been using it that much, so I figured I would dedicate the weekend to kind of just bringing out this camera again and really using it the way that I enjoy doing it. I also have right now on the with the 100V is the WCL. I love the WCL. I think it's such a powerful tool for anybody that has an X100V. It just allows you to get that much wider, whether you want to do a vlogging thing like I'm doing right now, or if you want to kind of just have that 28mm focal length for your street photography, which I enjoy having a Q2. So as much as I love 35, 28 seems to be my favorite. But I've been playing with both. So a lot of the footage that you're seeing, the images, as well as some of these, you know, video montages that you're seeing, have all been with the 35mm standard lens on the 100V. But I've been adding the Tiffen Black Pro Most quarter power onto the front of the lens to give that, you know, take away that digital footprint. I want to get more of that analog filmic feel. I want to get some of that haze, that halation around my highlights. So if you're enjoying those images, that's with the Tiffen Black Pro Most filter. All the video that you're seeing has been in HD only, 1080p HD. And the only reason why is because I've been accessing high frame rate mode in order to give me that 120 frames per second slow motion footage straight out of camera, as well as 60p. You cannot get 60 frames per second shooting in 4K. This right now, when I'm talking to you, is in 4K, DCI 4K. So this is the 17:9 crop, as you see, in DCI 4K. There is no Black Pro Most filter on the front of this at this moment, and I am using the WCL, so the width that you're seeing is also conducive of using that WCL. But everything else has been HD, straight out of camera, using a classic negative LUT, not even a LUT, classic negative straight out of the camera, baked into the system here, because it's only an 8-bit color file, and it all has been HD image, either using, again, high frame rate or using 60 frames per second normally. So I hope you guys like that. Plenty more content. I figured I'd just do a break in the video and kind of just explain to you what is going on actually in this video, and more content to come. Thanks guys, see you on the next one. Later.